Hello all, today in this video, this is a continuation of the previous video only. So previously we have worked with some basics Python function. So in this thing, from this video, we are going to learn about some libraries which we are using so far. So the first library which we are going to have and look is the OS library. So this OS library, it is going to work with this directories, that is folders. So by using this OS library, we are checking that how to get the current working directory, how to list all the files which is having in the directory, and how to create a new directory. All everything we are going to do by use of this OS module only. So for that, initially we are importing that module. Then we are getting the current working module by using the get cwd function, os.getcwd function. So by using this, we can just get what is the current directory which we are working with. So this in the output you can see, so this is the current directory which we are working with. So if you see in the top also, you may notice, so this is the directory which is D directory only we are working though. So then it is codes, then it is basics, then our file name is also given, but here we are not working with our giving the file name. It is only giving what is the directory which we are using. Then in the next thing, we are using list directory function. So what this function is going to do is, it is going to list all the files in a directory which is in the current directory. So in this directory, so this is the directory which we are using. So you may notice the file. So here you may notice what are the things which we are having. So some files which we created after working with this code only. So but if we rerun also, you may get all the files which we are having. So this is the files, what are the files which we are having in this folder. All the files which is having in the folder will be displayed while we are giving this list directory function. Then we are working to create a new directory. For that, we have to create a variable. Within that variable, we have to give the name for the directory which you are creating. Here I am just giving the new folder. If you want to create with some other names, you can change it as per your wish. Then this make directory function is going to create a directory, new directory within this name new folder. So this new folder you may see here also. Here the thing is, while we are running the code, we had this thing, so it is created here too. If we see here also, if you see, we are having a new folder, but it is empty only. So but we have created a new folder by using this make directory function which is present in the OS module. Then we are printing like this directory, this new directory which is the new folder name will be created over here, and now it is name it's created. So this is the thing of the OS module. It is going to work with the directories only. By this you can just specify what is the current directory, what are the files which is having in the current directory, and you can also make a new directory, that is new file folder, by using this OS module. Then we are going to work with the sys module. So what is this model is going to show means, it is going to work what that is provide what is this Python version. So what are the Python version we are working with? So the Python version we are working as 3.9.21 only we are using, and it is Conta environment only we are working. So it is also given, and the name of that and what is its bit AMD version is also displayed while we are giving the sys library over here. So this is the use of the sys library. In the next video, we will be working with some other libraries which is given in the Python, so basic Python libraries. Thank you.